So welcome back to the embedded system class. Today I am going to explain about applications of embedded systems. So embedded is a combination of software and hardware, and this is meant for a unique applications. So embedded systems can perform specific tasks. So embedded systems are used in various domains. Within the domain itself, according to the application, they have different functionalities. Each embedded system is designed to serve the purpose of any one or a combination of the following tasks. To know the applications of embedded systems, first of all we want to see purpose of embedded systems. So why we need an embedded system is important. So the first major purpose of an embedded system is storage purpose. We have to collect the data and we need to store the data and we want to represent the data. Second one is for data communication. So we need an embedded system to communicate data. So the third one is to process the data. Data processing is a purpose of embedded system. And to monitor the data, whatever the data we are storing and whatever the processing, whatever the data we process, we need to monitor the data. And we need to control the data and application specific user interface. These are the main purpose of an embedded system. Data collection and data storage, and to represent the data, to communicate the data, to process the data, for monitoring and to control the device, and as application specific user interface. These are the purpose of embedded systems, right? So applications of embedded systems. So just now we have seen purpose of embedded systems, right? So now what are the applications of embedded systems? Where not? Nowadays everywhere we are using embedded system. Without embedded system we cannot survive, right? So these are the some of the applications of embedded systems. Mainly consumer electronics like mobile phones, smartphones, tablets, tabs, household appliances, automotive industries, home automation and security system, telecommunications, computer peripherals, computer networking systems, in healthcare, in banking and retails, card readers, measurements and instrumentations, missiles and satellites, in robotics, in motor control systems, in environment systems, and in signal processing, in signal and image processing we are using. So these are the applications of an embedded systems. So almost all where not in everywhere nowadays we are using embedded systems. So these are the where we are using consumer electronics like camcorders, cameras. We use embedded systems in household appliances. So daily in our home we are watching digital TVs, DVD players, washing machines, micro ovens, refrigerators are all household appliances. Automotive industries like anti-alarm or anti-clock braking systems, engine controls, home automation and security like air conditioners, sprinkles, fire alarms. In telecommunications, in like cellular mobiles, phones, handset multimedia applications, like computer peripherals like printers, scanners, fax machine. Next, computer network system like network routers, switches, hubs, firewalls, and healthcare. So mainly we are using nowadays most of the healthcare devices we use embedded systems, ECGs machines, EE machines, EEG machines, like in ATM machines, currency counters, card readers like barcode, smart card readers. So in shop, in measurements and instrumentations like logic analyzers, spectrum analyzers, PLT systems, in missiles and satellites, defense, aerospace, communications, robotics, entertainment systems. Like nowadays children are playing online games, in video games like PUBG, Free Fire. So in mobile systems, in we are using most of the youth adults nowadays using smartphones for watching online TVs, online shows, for playing games. So last one, signal and image processing. So DSP related applications, speech recognition, speech processing, pattern recognitions, video processing. So everywhere nowadays we are using an embedded system. Thank you so much. These are the applications of embedded system. So why we need an embedded system and what are the